Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I just want to show you this Kipling backpack. It's actually not a diaper bag, but I am using it as one. And if you want to see how I have it packed, just keep watching this video. Okay, right here in the front I don't have anything. There is like a magnetic snap closure here, and it's pretty tight because I have a lot of things inside. Let me show you the mommy pocket. Remember, this is not a diaper bag, so it does not have an internal organization here, but I use it as a mommy pocket, and I do have my wallet and my notepad in here. And this is a Kaiju CD print from Jujubee, and it's called the Bee Spendy. And then on the side pockets right here, they're not meant for bottles, they're meant for like random things that you want to put in there. I do have a chapstick on this side, and then I have a hand sanitizer on the other side from Baby Ganex. And to put it in, you just have to like lift this part up and then it will close. And then here in the back, you will be able to put your changing pad because it does have a space for that, and it does have a magnetic closure there to keep it shut. But usually I have there just the book for him, and right now we have the Spooky Pookie by Sandra Boynton. He loves this book, and I think we got it at Marshall's for a very good price. And I love that this has a magnet pocket. It does have here the backpack straps are not seat belt. This is more like a fabric. I have no idea what material this is, but it is very easy to wear, and it's easy to adjust as well. And if you want to use it as a messenger strap, you can just unhook it here and then put it this way, and you'll be able to do that as well. Or you'll be able to carry it with these handles here as well. Oh, let me show you actually outside here. I do have my Passy Pot hanging here with this monkey that all the Kipling bags have. This one is the Vina. And then I usually just put a pacifier in my Passy Pot before I leave the house. And this is how it looks inside. Like I said, this is not a diaper bag. It's a backpack, so it doesn't have any extra pockets, just like the random zipper here pocket, and then there's two little pockets here that I'm using right now for my bottle because my bottle didn't fit outside, so I put the bottle here. You do have a pen pocket here, so I just put my pen in there, and I don't have anything on this one. Usually I will put my Be Organized, the small one, in there, but it doesn't fit, so I'm just putting it in here in this spot, like in this empty space. And then this is my med kit. So I have sunscreen, band-aids, alcohol wipes, I have wet ones, I have also what do I have here? I have Tylenol for me and Tums as well, and that's all I have in here. I usually carry a medium set piece to put my snacks here. So I have some what is this, disposable placemats and they're sticky, so they stay on the table very good. And then I have here a beanie in March of the Morlocks. I have cookies, I have a pouch, I have alcohol, hand sanitizer, wipes, I have a spoon, and that's all I have in there. And then let's go with this. I have wipes here. The wipes are necessary if you have a kid. You use them for everything, so I have them very handy in there. And this is from Orchid Hearts, and it's the Cactus Love print. It is beautiful, and you can find it at orchidhearts.com, and they're $18 for 2 pieces for 2 of this, and you don't have to pay for shipping. It's free shipping on all their orders. Then we have this March of the Morlocks, the large set piece from Jujubee, and I have here 3 diapers size 5. I do have a change pad from Jujubee in the Zip Hunk print, and this is from my Bee Sporty. I have my bags for poopy diapers in case you're somewhere you can't throw it. You just put it in here and it will keep the other in there. And then that's it in, and that's all I have in here. And then I have my blanket in case he needs it and he wants to take a nap. And then these, I have a wet bag, a onesie, and pants. And then in this zipper pocket, I carry wipes, more wipes. I just have boogie wipes and wet ones, and that's all I have in there. And you do have a key leash here to put your keys in there and find them easier, because remember, this is a handbag or a backpack, not a diaper bag. And that's all. Let me know what you think about this bag. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!